My kid keeps biting through the tops of all of her sippy cups, so we're moving to straw cups entirely. Kennedy, do you want to just pick a random box? Yeah. She picked the bluey box, so let's wash it. We did really like these ones, and this was the first straw cup that she learned to use. However, these ones are really hard to clean, I'll be honest. The ones that she has right now, it's a Zak, Z-A-K. I don't know what she did with the other boxes. We got some Princess, we got some Yoda, we got some Bluey. I overnighted them because we have no more tops to the sippy cups because they're all just chewed through. You've got your juice. You've already had 3 breakfasts this morning. So now I'm gonna make myself some coffee. I'm gonna be honest, still going strong on my instant espresso. Again, this is gonna be so great for camping, but I've been really liking it, and I have less sugar when I make this. I don't know. Like if I just go and get an iced coffee at Dunkin', I'm getting sugar in it. But doing this at home, it's just this and then my oat milk, which the oat milk that I use for a cup, I believe it's 4 grams of sugar. How are you getting me wet with your closed cup? Hold on a second. This is the oat milk that I'm gonna be trying today. I did pick up another one of the Califia ones that I've been using because that one's my favorite. This one I just looked, this one has 7 grams of sugar. It's fine, unless I don't like the taste of this. Let me try some of it first, actually. Should I shake this? I like their regular oat milk, so I don't really know what the difference of this would be. Yeah, it's good. All right, this is 1/3 of a cup. Let's see what 2/3 of a cup looks like, because again, it's different oat milk. That's actually a good color. I might be good with 2/3 of a cup with this one. This is what I don't like about homemade ice, like regular ice, because it just blocks up together. Yeah, it needs a little bit more. We're gonna do a full cup. Oh! Wow, even with the full cup, it's still a little bit darker than the Califia. Mom! You got your new cup? A little bit of whipped cream. Do you want whipped cream? Every morning. All right, we'll do a little bit of whipped cream. She puts the cup down. There you go. Ah. Yummy. All right, there is my fancy coffee, and I think I did the math out. It costs 14 cents, I believe, per coffee with this. So, anywho. Although, I mean, any instant coffee would probably be the same, because I feel like all instant coffees are like the same price. At this point now, I am babbling. So if you're still watching this, I love you, and I hope you have the best day ever. And I hope that you go and get yourself an iced coffee, because it's too hot for hot coffee. Good morning, friends. We hope you have the best day ever. Oh, big stretch. Dog yoga. Bye.